Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Raisat, where we explore exciting ways to boost your income. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics, how to make money online. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a side hustle, this guide has something for you. First up, freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or programming, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer are perfect to start. Here's how it works. You create a profile showcasing your expertise and bid on projects. As you complete work and build your reputation, you can start charging more. Next, content creation. YouTube, blogging, and podcasting can be great ways to earn money, but they require time and consistency. Monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, or even selling your own merchandise. Remember, passion and persistence are key. 3. Online tutoring. Are you great at explaining concepts? Then online tutoring could be your thing. Websites like VibeKid, Chegg Tutors, and Skillshare let you teach subjects you're knowledgeable about. And if you prefer flexibility, you can create your own courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. This works well if you have a website or a strong social media presence. Just be genuine in your recommendations and focus on products that align with your brand. 5. Selling digital products. Another popular method is selling digital products. Once you create them, they can bring in passive income. Ebooks, design templates, and stock photography are just a few examples. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shutterstock can help you reach a global audience. 6. Dropshipping and e-commerce. Then there's dropshipping and e-commerce. With dropshipping, you don't need to hold inventory. Instead, you list products in your online store and a supplier ships them directly to your customers. It's a low-risk way to test the waters of e-commerce. 7. Investing and trading. Investing in stocks, ETFs, or even cryptocurrencies is another way to earn money online. But always do your research or consult a financial advisor before jumping in. The market can be unpredictable, but with the right strategies, it can be lucrative. And there you have it, 7 proven ways to make money online. Remember, each path comes with its challenges, so choose one that fits your skills and interests. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments which method you're excited to try. See you next time, and happy earning!